Man, what a massacre of a day in the market. All right. This sucked. BTC pulling back about 5%. We obviously have Shib down about 6%, dropping into the 509 or 508 range. And really just anywhere you look across the market right now, we're feeling the same kind of pain. All right. The same kind of retracements. It is what it is. Shib is actually holding up pretty decently compared to some other assets around its market cap. You can see Litecoin down about 6.5%, ICP down about 9.5. Matic down about 6.6. You know, we're okay. We're doing fine. We're not outside of the realm of anything else right now. Now, the question many people are probably going to have is, when is this going to stop, right? When will this end? And I think in order to figure that out, we have to understand where this is all coming from. What is really truly causing the market to drop right now? Now, obviously, we've talked about this a bunch. The things that are affecting the market, this spot ETF shuffle. All right. It's a new dance, the spot ETF shuffle. So we're obviously seeing a transition from GBTC into other spot ETFs. We've seen a major transition, just like Thomas Fayer here said. We've accumulated 95,000 BTC in these new ETFs. We've seen an outflow of 65,000 Bitcoin from GBTC. 22,000 have been from selling of the FTX estate. So this is stuff that's not actually flowing into others. We're seeing this obviously just flow out into the open market. And this is obviously impacting price. Now, here's the thing. Although this is impacting price to an extent, I don't know if I have the chart up here, and I don't. Anyways, although we're seeing some of this flow into the market, really a big portion of what is affecting these charts right now is retail. I know I've talked about this in other videos, but I want to highlight a point here. When we look at this crypto fear greed index, all right, we're down at 50 right now. So the halfway point, we're neutral, we're in between bearishness, bullishness, right? And we haven't been at this point since October 18th of 2023. If you guys remember where BTC was at that point, it was all the way, oh gosh, where was that? All the way back here. BTC was at actually 28K. So we're a long ways away from where we were at that point. And really right now, it's just everybody being reactionary to what's going on with this shuffle, not understanding what's actually happening, what is influencing the market right now. And the thing is when people stop panicking, that is when the charts are going to flip and turn around. Remember, with a lot of this GBTC outflows being into new ETFs, that's a good sign. All right. That's again, really just a shuffle from one to the other. The great news is the overall holdings of ETFs are actually on the rise. So there is actually BTC that's being accumulated in the open market. So institutional investors are actually accumulating Bitcoin during this time. The problem is that those accumulations from those spot ETFs, they're actually not outpacing the retail selling. That's where things get kind of goofy. Now, obviously, when we look at Shib, right, and what's really going on with Shiba Inu is we're just dropping along with the rest of the market. All right. And Shib, it's not in free fall or anything like that. Again, we're just right in line with everything else. You can see on the 7-day, we're down about 11%. That's right in line with everything else. On the 1 month, we're down 21%. BTC just even since the 10th is down 20%. So we're all kind of in the same boat together right now. We're just feeling this big, not black swan event, kind of this mass slow liquidation event is essentially what it is. Now, is this going to stop sometime soon? I believe it will. The thing is the FTX estate, I think I saw that they're either out or just about out of their position in GBTC, which is good because once they are out, that is less impact on the market. I think BTC may need to take a short bit to consolidate, whether it does it down here around this 36K range, whether it does it somewhere up in here around this, 38, 39K range. We'll obviously just have to wait and see where this does stop. But the thing is it's likely going to stop sometime soon. Now, this is not financial advice. There's no guarantees. Maybe everybody freaks out and decides to dump even further. But the thing is right now, obviously today's candle is a little bit shorter than yesterday's. We just have to wait for everything to kind of slow down. Eventually, there is going to be that renewed confidence in the market. There's just not a lot of confidence right now. There's a lot of fear. There's a lot of questions, and people are just kind of waiting. They've backed off a little bit, and that's fine, right? What it presents again is more opportunity. If you wanted an opportunity to obviously get Shib price even lower than where it was at 401, awesome. I've always said that Shib below 401 is a great buy, and I believe it is again. So as always, you guys can do what you want. This is not financial advice. That's basically what we're waiting for. We're waiting for everybody to stop freaking the hell out. And it's just a question of when that's going to be. So I believe it's in the near term. We'll obviously wait and see what happens over the course of this week, but I appreciate you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Show your support below. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.